I'm Tommy Robinson, Toyota Series and Bassmaster Open Pro from Michigan. And I'm going to show you how to grease your hubs. And the items that I use today, I purchased all of them from PartsVu. It's very important that you service your hubs before you hit the highway. I have two types of hubs on my trailer. I have oil filled and I also have a grease filled. I'm going to change the oil in this one. It's really simple. And then we'll move to the other side and I'll show you how to grease the bearings on the other side. First, we're going to take this cap off and let the oil drain out. Okay, we got all the oil drained out. We're going to put the cap back on. But before we put the cap back on, there's an O-ring on here. We want to be sure to use gasket sealant on there so that we don't have any leaks. So we'll just take a little sealant, put it all around. Not too much, just enough to cover that little surface there. We're going to screw this cap back on. We're not going to over tighten this cap, just hand tighten it because it will strip out. Okay, now we're going to take a screwdriver and we're going to pop this little cap off right here. There we go. It pops right off. Clean that baby up a little bit. And we're going to refill this hub with some 90 weight oil. Just enough for it to run out of the top. All right, got a little bit running out. Take that grommet, pop it right back in. Wipe it down. That's all good. It's real important you do this before you travel. I tell you, it'll save you some headaches. I've had to replace one of these on the side of the road, and it's not a good feeling. But if you'll do this simple maintenance prior to leaving, you won't have any problems at all. Okay, we'll go to the other side and grease the other side. Now we're on the other side. This side has grease in it. It's a very simple process as well. We're going to remove the cap. Right behind the cap, you have a grease fit. We'll wipe a little of this grease off so that we can see it. There it is, right there. Grease fit. Very simple process on this one. All you need is a grease gun. Take your grease gun, press it on the fitting. Let's give it a few shots until we see grease coming out. If you look real close, I can see the grease pressing out at the top. That's all you need. Don't need any more. Pop that off. Wipe away the excess grease. And we're good to go. I hope these tips help you when you get ready for the upcoming boating season. And remember, all parts and accessories can be found at PartsVu.com. Thanks for visiting.